Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study the stock market and invest. First, let's cover the basics. Understanding key terms like stocks, which represent company ownership, bonds, which are essentially loans, and mutual funds, which pool investor money, is crucial. You should also familiarize yourself with major market indices like the S&P 500. Finally, learn about various investment accounts, such as brokerage accounts for general investing and retirement accounts like IRAs or 401(k)s, each with unique benefits. Once you grasp the fundamentals, it's time to research. Dive into a company's financial statements, such as their income statement and balance sheet, to assess their health. Look at key metrics like the price-to-earnings ratio and dividend yield to gauge a stock's value and potential returns. Remember, economic news and industry trends significantly impact the market, so staying informed is vital for making smart decisions. Now, let's build your investment strategy. Clearly define your financial goals and honestly assess your risk tolerance. This guides all your decisions. Diversification is key to managing risk, so spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks and bonds. Finally, understand how to execute trades using different order types, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to control your price. For long-term success, regularly rebalance your portfolio to keep it aligned with your target asset allocation. Also, be aware of the tax implications of your investments, including capital gains and dividends, to optimize your returns. Remember to check the description below for a link to an insightful book, along with other valuable resources and deals. Consistent, informed effort is key to growing your wealth over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.